video. Today we are going to be doing the L3/35 Tankette. So yeah, this Tankette is basically an Italian mini tank thing. So yeah, I don't really know much information about this. I'm not really used to that many Italian tanks or whatever Tankette things. So yeah. Oh yeah, during the intro video part, I did make the RN aroma from Master James tutorial. So I made a whole Italian battleship just to showcase the Tankette. So yeah, let's get started on this. So what you're gonna need is nether brick stairs, a sign, a birch trap door, an item frame, a birch slab, a composter, sandstone wall, dark oak fence, snow layer, like a snow layer. Let's get an armor stand, and I'll show you how to make the leather cap. So yeah, I think it's actually one more than this. That's not what I need. Yeah, I think it's the right size I need. So yeah, so let's just do this. So what you're gonna need is you have, let's get me just a normal block. So what you want to do is place two nether brick stairs right here, and place one facing here, so it has this angle to it, and then you place one, do that same right here. So here's our track. So what you want to do is you do the same on the other side, right here. Do that. Don't worry, you're gonna fix that gap right there, and do that. So let me get a debug stick. Let's give P Minecraft debug stick. Deb. So yeah, let's fix this. So we want to change this to shape. Let's do that there. Now let's do this one. Yeah, now for a sign, or I'm gonna do our iron frames first. And put our trapdoors in them. Let's put a sign right there. Phone, go away. Let's do that now. Like that. So let's just put a sign in there, or a trapdoor. Now I'm going to place two trapdoors on the front, or make them face this way. Now what you're going to want to do is place a slab here, two composters, then a wall. So this is the main layout of the stuff that you're going to want to do for your things. So yeah, so break this and break these two ones right here, these blocks underneath. And what you want to do is take your snow layer and make this one a full block right here. The reason why I make it a full block and not want to use snow layer and not a full block, because you actually go down in this. See, like you shrink down, but in a full block you don't. It's just straight across. Oh, I think I'm trapped. Yeah. You see. So this, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna have 5 snow layers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is gonna do one more. 6. No, so just 5. So yeah. Now to do our armor stand stuff. So what you want to do is take an armor stand, just any block of your choice that can't fall. You need a piston, a block of redstone, and a water. Where's water? Water for to be our pusher. So yeah, we're also gonna need to make the colored helmet. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So cap, and let's go to get our dye. So what you need is a brown dye, or brown, where was that? So we're gonna need a white dye, brown dye, and a yellow dye. So let's get that yellow. Let's get ourselves a crafting table and craft ourselves a tan helmet. So we're gonna do white, oh, that's bone meal. I see. White. Just gonna do that. Leather cap brown, white, and a bit of yellow. That should craft ourselves a nice tan hat. So yeah. I'm just trying to brighten this up a bit. So okay, what you want to do is place a block directly above here. Make like a plus right here. And make it bigger. Like that. Now what you want to do this. Just make like a weird star shape thing. This is how we are going to get our water pattern. So we want to make this kind of shape. So we want to place an armor stand here. Just make it a nice and straight one like that. It's perfect. So we're gonna craft it from this side. So let's place a block here and let it push itself over to there. Actually, just shorten these by 1. Make it like that. So have a thing there, and then have push it forward to here. So now it's in this corner. Drop it down, like that. I'm gonna do the same but on the other side. So let's get an armor stand. Good. So we're gonna do this, push it, water, and then we can push it again right here. Now let's drop it down so it's in place. So we have this right here. Now what you're gonna want to do is place it, go from here, go to this direction to facing the side of the Tankette. Do right here, place down a cap, and have a water bucket. And just do the exact same one as I did for the first one, but the back part's be covering up this right here, this gap. So now it can drop it down. So it's gonna be covering up like right here. So I'm gonna just do that again, but on the back side. Can I get a good armor stand? Oh, finally good armor stand. So we'll place it here. We'll push it to the back. Then drop it down. And this one on the corner, you can just do whatever you want. You can face it anyway. So I'm just gonna do it facing forwards. Push, drop down, and there. We got ourselves a fake slab. The reason we did this is because we're gonna have to put in a gun or 2 machine guns here. That's gonna be hard, and you can't do that with just a normal slab. So, yeah. Now I want to take your piston and dark oak fence. So what you want to place? You want to make another kind of big tower thing. I want to make it like here. And have a piston going up. So now I'm going to do it like this. Now put a redstone. Break that. Put a lever or a fence gate. Never mind. Blah. Now push it down again. And there. We have ourselves a gun. Now I can just cover this right here. Take an item frame. Where's the item frame? Can put this here and just do that. There. Front section created. So for the back, you're gonna want to break these. Also on the showcase world, I put 2 armor stands here, but I'm just gonna do on the one. I put 2 armor stand helmets to cover up these holes here, so I'm gonna do that instead of just those 4 armor stands. I'm probably just gonna get this out right now, and then instead of that. So let's do this. Let's just do this quick now. So. This kind of shape with a block of your choice. So, block. Do that. Okay. Cover. Block that off. Water. And then we have water. Drop down. Now we'll go over here. We have good. Oh, sure, I can do that one. So, yeah, water. And then block that there. And have water. Make sure you get rid of the water before you drop it down. I made that mistake a couple times. So now for this side. Okay, need to extend this a bit more. So let me break these. So I need to extend this shape. So let's go here. I'm gonna face it this way. Let's do that. So you have arm stand, you have your water, and yeah, water. Drop down. Let's put that back. So arm stand. Let's get a good one. So yep, water and water. No. Water. So drop down. So now we can get rid of this shape here. Now for our pistons, which we're gonna need to have nether brick stairs and sandstone wall. No, nether brick first. So get our pistons. So gonna take our signs and put them over here on these things. Now take a debug stick and fix our thing. So we want to make them face the back and right here. And I'm gonna try and find up and get rid of that. So there. Now fix these. There, fixed. Time to add our hatches in there. That's how you make a tankette. Kind of to scale. Might be a little bit too big, but yeah. So I guess I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of a really long one for such a small tank. Just a small tank. I don't know if we're ever gonna do that one, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!